Trying to extend your gardening time by an extra few days or weeks seems impossible until you learn that there are a few tricks behind it, the main one being using a raised bed garden. At least that's what everyone says, right? I mean, a cold frame helps too, but a lot of people tout that having that raised bed garden, it helps that bit of soil thaw faster after a long cold winter, and that means you can have a longer gardening season. But after talking with a bunch of neighbors and measuring way crazy numbers of soil temperatures in all sorts of different raised bed gardens, I've got something really cool to tell you guys, and it's this. It doesn't actually matter what your raised bed garden is made out of. I know, crazy, right? I had this theory that a raised bed garden with a metal garden would let you have an earlier garden season. Although I then theorized too that it would make the soil too hot and it would maybe cut into your summer gardening. As I measured temperatures with neighbors and friends over the course of a year, it turned out that while there was a couple degree difference in soil between any raised bed garden and the regular soil, it wasn't a huge difference. It wasn't enough to make a huge difference in the growing season, and it wasn't a huge difference towards scorching your plants in the middle of the summer, unless you forgot to water your plants, but that's a whole other story. In any case, it didn't make a huge difference, and I was kind of shocked because I thought for sure whatever you made your garden out of, the raised bed garden, it would make a big difference. Nope, turns out it doesn't. So in any case, if you want to extend your growing season, the real key is going to be having a cold frame or a little greenhouse garden cover that you can put over it to keep it warm. Now, there's obviously more to it than this, and if you want to find that out, you're going to want to weigh the pros and cons of all the different building materials, and for that, I've got a lot more information for you. Go search Backyard Homestead HQ grow boxes. And click that link to read more about doesn't matter what you make grow boxes or raised beds from, and I'll be able to walk you through exactly the materials that you should or maybe shouldn't use depending on your circumstances.